Meaning of eruv.
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 eruv,
Eruv. An eruv is a symbolic boundary that allows Orthodox Jews to carry certain items outside their homes on the Sabbath. According to Jewish law, carrying anything from one domain to another is prohibited on the Sabbath, but an eruv essentially turns a larger area into a single domain, allowing people to carry objects within its boundaries. The eruv is created by using structures like poles and wires that encircle a designated area and create a symbolic wall. This tradition has been practiced for centuries in Jewish communities around the world.